Good morning, friend. Today, I'm just taking you with me as we enjoy an absolutely beautiful, warm autumn day around the farm. If there is one thing I want to do around here at Gridiron Hill Farm, it's keep things real and raw. Life, as you know so well, is filled with beauty and sometimes a bit of crazy. But that's what makes life so wonderful. Down over at your place, and she's got this. It was delivered. No, because you can. Paper towel, please, so I can wipe the cast iron down.
So that's when Britta's birthday is?
Thank you. Are they dry?
Yeah. You have a towel, you have 2 rags.
Okay, great. You can put a towel and a rag in the.
So you need to wash your face and brush your teeth.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Would you go help her do that while I'm cleaning up breakfast?
Dump the whole bag.
Ready? Baker, come on out this way. Don't chase her though, Kayla.
Get one.
Yep, send her on up. It's a little tart. Yeah, but I like a tart one.
There you go. There you go. Grab them. Grab it.
I would definitely allow.
I was all done with mine. What is the giant one?
Right here?
Right here.
Where?
Right here. Wait.
That one?
Yeah. I'm looking for another one. Mom, I think it's
Did you find the turkey? Did you find the turkey?
No.
He's right there.
Wait.
Go see if you can go catch him. Go around the other way. Bogey, Bogey, come here. Come on, Shay, bring him up this way. Run, get in front of him. Bogey! Bogey! Oh my gosh. I just can't see anywhere where I'm walking, and I'm honestly not gonna lie, I'm seriously afraid that I'm gonna step on a snake and it's gonna curl around my ankle. And that just to me is not my idea of a good time. Okay, we need you. We need you. Why does he look like he's walking away? Yeah, you hold that dog over there. I cannot have that dog over here. This is not where I want to be right now. You, why don't you go chase him in? Ooh. Hey, did you guys have your little box turtle? I found him again. Yeah. It's the same one. Where's that turkey? Oh, this is so ridiculous. What am I even doing? What are we even doing here? Where is this turkey going? And what exactly are we doing? I mean, all of his buddy friends. Oh, I don't feel good about this. If there's a yellow jacket nest around here, oh, it's gonna be bad. You are making things very difficult. Where is that turkey? Do you guys see him? Oh my gosh. Make a little noise. Chip, chip. Chip, 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 chip. I need to chase him up that way. Did you girls see where he went? Any idea? Any idea? Oh, there he is. No, 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 no. Not that way. Not that way. Nope. Hurry up, take the turtle and stand here. Ow. Don't let, you hold that dog. I cannot have him chasing this turkey any further into the woods. This is just so obnoxious. He's right in there. No, don't go that way. You're gonna chase him into the woods further. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
Good.
My feet hurt.
This, yeah. No. I definitely got torn up.
Yeah.
I
That
got.
is not fun. But I caught him, so it matters. So now,
I got splinter.
now we are going to clip wings so he can't use it again. Enough of this nonsense. Come on, girls, let's go.
I
Watch the fence.
Tuesday and mommy pet.
Don't touch the fence.
No, I'm done.
And got the little ones to do. Okay, grab both of its legs.
Oh. Wait. I'm gonna stick it this way. good to go. Okay, I'm trusting you not to flat.
Good. Here, grab it. I'll hold its legs. I'll hold its legs. You hold its wing out. All right, little chicken wing. This will keep them in. Say goodbye. Little kiss.